Day one.
We're heading to Gainesville. We're still in the truck.
Gainesville, Alaska. Negative 13 degrees.
It's so cold. It's 32 now. It's 10:30 in the morning. It's finally up to 32 degrees. But we are heading into registration/tech day, where we will shed the truck and trailer.
Bye-bye.
For the next week. And hopefully we grab all the items we need out of the truck and trailer. Is this a racer?
Yes.
Yep. Already got a racer on the side of the road. Yeah, so we're gonna get our feet wet, go put the truck and trailer in the impound, and go mingle a little bit, and then we can't even start the day with that little drama though. My cell phone's all acting weird. It keeps like having and then losing cell service.
Every time we go somewhere that's more vacation style, something happens. Florida, glasses. California, glasses.
Are those glasses in California?
Was it in California? Sunglasses?
Yeah.
Was it sunglasses?
I don't know. No, that was Destin.
Okay, so then Florida twice. Sunglasses and glasses.
Alright,
So what did you lose last time? You also lost something else. You lost your phone in Chicago.
Yeah.
And now we're out another phone. It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, maybe I had their phone. I don't know. I don't know if my SIM card went bad with my phone or what.
I have that phone at home that I never turned in.
Well, anyways, hopefully this is the most of our issues. And, yeah.
In half a mile, your
Let's go.
destination is on your right.
Oh, we're almost there. Well, we better lock in and get ready for some good times in the cold.
And
In 1/3 of a mile, your destination is on your right.
Oh my God, is that Billy? Sounds like Billy's car's got a high idle. I see you porta potties. There's a whole lot of people out here. All these trailers about ready to go to impound before we kick off sick week. It's pretty cool. It's gonna be our first time here. Got Megan's Morticia out here, and I'm excited. I wish it was a lot warmer. Today is like a high of 42. I don't think we've gotten out of the 30s yet, but looking forward to it. So day 0, tech day, and I think 1 round of testing today for those that are in the race. We're not in the race, we're just in the car show, so we'll be doing the drive and watching and having fun. Day 0 of sick week, babe. What'd you think?
my cake's better.
Your cake's better. We're eating some Walmart cake in the parking lot.
If you've never ate cake in your Camaro, you should try it. It's like having a happy place. So, what have you thought about so far about Sick Week?
So far, we didn't forget too many supplies, and we just got minimal stuff at the Walmart close to the hotel. Mostly snacks and dessert. Because today it was cold. I don't know what that means, cold with snacks, but...
Well, I think that if we would have had snacks, we might have sat in the car a little bit more to warm up.
Maybe. And
Did you know there was 2 lights?
yeah,
I just thought that one just was enough.
I didn't know if it made it that much brighter.
I don't know what it did.
So far, a lot of people are wondering what we're doing here. Why are we here? What are we in? And will we bring the Firebird? I mean, I want to. I think as soon as registration is available the next 6 week, I think I'll go ahead and grab one for the Firebird.
Yeah, one for Morticia.
And if you want to race?
Maybe.
Megan said, "I'm ready, Captain. Tag me in."
Something slow.
I don't know how slow it'll be in a year.
I don't know.
Don't know.
Nope. First things first. Steering wheel. Somebody said I died at steering wheel because I said that was the upgrade that I wanted to do. I'm a pretty easy girl to make happy.
So far, do you think we got a full field of racers for sick week? We've already had several people drop out.
It kind of reminds me of like when we did Shady Side and they allowed, like 3 days of testing, and then like the second year of Shady Side, people realized, hey, let's maybe not test so much. They still allowed it, but I felt like a lot more racers pulled back a little bit. I don't know. This is a you thing. What do you think?
There were a lot of builds that came here untested because of weather.
Yes.
And a lot of them found some weak links really fast.
Yes.
And we haven't even done any driving yet. It's mostly been around the pits, down 1 or 2 passes down the track today for a lot of people.
Some not even one.
A lot of track passes. Well, they had 2 days of track testing before today, and then today they had track testing, and there were a lot of broken cars.
I just would like to point out, in your last video, you were pretty adamant. Not adamant, I shouldn't say adamant. You contemplated how if you did this, you were going to be in a turbo. But I just want to point out that yesterday, a majority of the cars that were broken that I saw on Facebook were turbo cars. Does that
sway my interest?
Yes.
I think I want to make sure we use the cast. So I was looking at a lot of trailer setups, and I didn't realize that Sick Week lifted the trailer size limitation. So I don't know. I mean, I'd probably limit myself to like 1,200 pounds on a trailer.
I feel like that's just really heavy.
It is, but just remember, when we run the big block, we pick up 200 pounds. So there's a passenger. Well, aluminum versus iron big block, we pick up 300 pounds. But iron LS to iron big block, we're picking up like almost 200. And when we run big block, we usually ran 800 pounds of ballast. So it kind of works out the same, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Except we're not trying to race it.
I don't feel like it does, but that we've already established who the brains in this relationship is. So, I mean, asking me is irrelevant. Pointless. You're trying not to yawn.
No, I'm thinking. No, I got all my yawning out. I think I'm good for a minute.
Now that I said it, I want to.
Do you?
Yep.
Who's gonna break first on a yawn?
I'll hold it in.
By the way, it's only 9 p.m. and our local time, which we just left yesterday, is now 8 p.m.
And it feels like
10, 11.
it is like midnight. Sorry, I'm just watching these drivers. They suck.
Flipping around out here. So whenever we change time zones, I don't know if this is how you feel, but when we go from the Midwest and we go to the East Coast and it goes forward an hour, I feel like it goes forward 2 or 3 hours. And if I go to the West Coast, where we lose 1 to 2 hours, depending on how far west we go, I feel like we gain hours. Like I will stay up past my normal bedtime a lot more in the West Coast, and on the East Coast, I want to go to bed way sooner. And I don't understand why. Because I mean, our body should be pre-programmed for the time zone we left.
My body's not pre-programmed for 2.
No?
No.
We know that. You're not very regular.
There's nothing regular about me. I think everyone could agree on that. That might be like the one thing the whole world can agree on. Look at me, bringing world peace. Well, I am glad that you're having so much fun so far. I was really worried
about being a spectator,
which, I mean, it was only day 0 or whatever you want to call it. So it's just starting. But you're not normally a very good spectator.
If somebody wanted me to look at a tune or anything like that, they can pull the tune, unplug the laptop from the car, walk away from their pit, and then hand me the laptop, and then I can make adjustments and hand them the laptop back, and then they can take it back and plug it in. And that's considered remote tuning.
With that being said, if anyone at Sick Week needs a tuner, we'll have one on property.
There's a Honda driving around with the alarm going off. Oh, nope, it just stopped. My bad. It's on again. Babe, we picked an interesting Walmart to go to. And our hotel's only like 5 miles away.
I'm watching it in the rearview mirror.
Oh, yeah. It's just going off in the mirror. Oh, goodness. Well,
excited for tomorrow?
I am. I'm excited to see the realization set in everybody's eyes that their safety net of a truck and trailer's gone. And now they have to make it work. Got to figure it out. 2 gentlemen just walked away from this Honda. I wonder, do you think they did some nefarious things with that car and then decided to just bounce on it?
No, that's not my business.
I'm gonna go with they're just annoyed that it's beeping and they're gonna go inside try to get parts to fix it.
Sure.
So yeah, tomorrow everybody got to leave their safety blanket of a truck and trailer. We went ahead and ditched ours tonight.
You don't need.
And hopefully we don't need to go back to that. And knock on wood, we already knocked on wood at dinner time. Our party, we hope that this is a very
it's gonna be a good time for everyone. We're
fantastic trip.
Speaking it into existence.
Yes.
This is gonna be a great time for everybody involved. Heck, I'm already coming up with ideas for Morticia on what I want to do next year with her.
Yeah, like what?
We don't have to talk about it on your page. I'll talk about it on my page.
Oh, okay.
So if you're interested, go on over to Moist and Modified. Hit subscribe. Find out that way. So
right now, Firebird's current plan is I've got a little Honda radiator. Might use that to see if it stays cool. Probably won't. I've got a mid-size radiator with a pretty badass 16-inch fan on it. And then I've got Elvira's old radiator that's got dual Spall 12-inch fans on it and a fan shroud. I know that assembly will keep the motor cool wherever we take it. And I've actually already got an alternator for it. that works with the lithium 16-volt system.
So it sounds like you have a lot of stuff. It's just...
I need mirrors and a horn, and I got to put turn signal bulbs back in the car.
Hi, my name's Horn.
Megan's just going to go honk, honk.
I am louder than any, maybe not any horn that you can buy, but I bet you almost any horn that you can buy at least at Walmart.
Honk, honk, beep, beep, toot, toot. She's real good at the toot, toot.
Toot, toot. I'll even do that. Yeah, I just think it's cool that we have a lot of the things. It's just we have to remember about it next year before it's too late. Like, I feel like the last couple years we have been like, oh my god, that'd be so much fun, but it was because it was like going around like everyone locking in.
Yeah.
So it was already too late.
Yeah.
And then it's like, well, shoot.
Yeah.
So we just need to make sure that...
Shoot with an eye.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to be better. Which is hard to do because I'm already the best, but...
Goodness, girl.
Anyways. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. I'm excited for everybody. I hope everybody has the personal best. What are you looking at? I hope everybody's safe. I hope the weather cooperates.
Yes. Right now, it's supposed to get warmer, but not real warm. And then Wednesday is a major drive day from SGMP to Bradenton. And right now it looks like we've got afternoon and evening showers scheduled for that, with a temperature fall for Thursday at Bradenton. And then the weather will kind of climb up a little bit for Orlando on Friday. And then, yeah, then we'll be back to Gainesville. But we'll see. I mean, every 2 days the weather changes down here right now.
Right. Every 30 minutes the weather changes down here, period, I feel like.
Yeah, forecast moving all over the place.
I love Florida.
So, I'll say on that note, we're going to wrap this up. And we've already got our soft ideas, what we think we're going to do on the Firebird. Maybe we'll talk about trailer ideas later this week. And
there's some pretty cool trailers out here.
Yeah, getting a lot of good ideas. So, definitely got to figure out how I'm going to put the cast on it, which compressor, if I'm going to use a storage tank.
Can I just go ahead and say how nice everyone's been, too?
Oh, super friendly.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy friendly.
They have a whole Facebook page of people that are coming or spectating or whatever. And people will be like, hey, I'm swinging by Summit to pick up my cousin's sister's boyfriend's twice removed uncle's part. Does anyone else need anything?
Yeah, pretty cool.
And that's just really neat. I mean, I know we've seen a lot of racers like donate parts like at the event if someone breaks, which is always cool too. But I just feel like this is really neat because I mean, it's literally strangers just randomly
helping out,
like wanting to help out others. Yeah,
really cool.
So I think it's been neat. Yeah.
I wonder how the spectator count's going to be during the week.
You think the cold will impact it?
Oh, tons. Plus, it's during the week.
That's true. We've attended the one in Topeka, and it was pretty dead. It was like Wednesday or Thursday. We took the boys out there to watch Cody and Rank.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Remember?
Mm-hmm.
There wasn't a lot of spectators out there.
Mm-mm. It's also Topeka. The place was ginormous. So,
That's
like,
true.
you could put 1,000 people out there and it look like nobody's there.
Yeah. You're right. You're always right.
We're going to end on that. Chink. I'm always right.
Okay, I'm ready to get out of this parking lot.